guys, how are we doing today? I'm going to be reviewing the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I believe this is Urban Decay's newest edition. Well, currently this is a new palette that they came out with, I believe, for the summer. And I just wanted to come to a quick review today. I'll be doing some swatches so that you guys can see the pigmentation in this palette, as well as a makeup tutorial only using this palette. I really like the colors that are in the palette, and I just can't wait to let you guys take a look. So this is the box. This is the box the palette comes in, and as you see, it says Urban Decay Born to Run. And at the back of the packaging, at the back of the box, you have a layout of what the colors look like in the palette. This palette is very pretty. It reminds me so much of summer, and I think this is actually the most unique looking eyeshadow palette I own currently. Well, apart from the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, this one is the most colorful in terms of packaging, as well as it has a lot of character in it. It reminds me so much of summer. So bam, there you go. This is what the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette looks like. This is the front of it. You have a collage of pictures that remind you of summer in here. And it just says Urban Decay Born to Run. And at the back of it, this is what the back looks like. Isn't that pretty, guys? So this is what the front and the back looks like. And this is what the palette looks like. You have a total of 21 eyeshadow colors in this palette. You have some warm tone colors, as well as you have a few colorful tones in there as well. It looks like there are 12 colors in here that look like they're frosted colors, and I guess the remainder the remainder of the colors that are in this palette, they are matte colors. Okay, so you have 12 frosted colors, and the remainder, they are all matte colors. Another thing I really like about this palette is it comes with a really cute mirror. It comes with a mirror, and right here on the mirror it says Urban Decay Born to Run. Okay, the only thing I don't really like about the palette is that it could be a little heavy for a palette that small, but I really love the packaging. I must say that Urban Decay really took some time out to put this thing together. Okay, so I'm going to jump right into the eyeshadow swatches. these are the pigments in the Urban Decay Born to Run New Eyeshadow Palette. I think that, well, based on the finger swatches I did, I think that the colors are very much on the pigmented side. I really love the names they gave to the colors in the palette because it's so much, it reminds me so much of summertime, like Baja, Wild Heart, Ignite, Radio, Blue Big Sky, Wanderlust, Stranded, Weekender. These are all names that remind me so much of summer. And the colors, guys, can you see those colors? These colors are really pigmented. You cannot go wrong with the pigments on here. I understand that, yes, there are quite a few, there are more frosted colors than matte colors in here. Let me count how many matte colors you get in here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6 matte colors and you get 12 frosted colors. Okay, so that's how much you get in there. But you have quite a few transition shades in there. And even though the rest of the, you have quite the, even though most of the colors in here are frosted colors, you could still do a really good job of just using this palette. You also have a black in there, even though the black is kind of have a few metallic accents in there, but you could always use the black. So far, my favorite shadows in here is the Radio eyeshadow. This one is a little different for me. I don't think I have a palette that has a shade as unique as this. I really love the color Blue Sky and Guilt Trip. Another thing, a con, well, not really a con for me, but I think that Urban Decay could have added in a few more colors in there. You have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 colors in this palette that are more on the bronze and the gold to one side. I think probably instead of having 6 colors, instead of having 6 colors more in the bronze and gold to one side, they probably could have replaced it with more a gold that's more on the yellow side, just to add some more color to it. Does this color remind me of something? Yes, it does, but I really think that more colors could have been used to accentuate what summer is about. You know, guys, summertime, all colors come out to play. So I'm going to do a review using this. So stay tuned. A makeup tutorial using this Urban Decay palette. guys, now I'm going to do lips. I'm using the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color, and I am going to use her in the color Sugar Plum. So I'm going to go back in the Urban Decay palette, and I'm just going to use that really shimmery pink, and I'm just going to use it in the center of the lip, of my lips, because I think this lip needs a little summer sugar. So I'm going to use a blending brush to do that, and for that I'm going to use Violet Heart. Violet Heart. So my final take on this palette is I really love this palette. The fact, even though there's not very many matte colors to work with, I'm very happy that the palette has a black. There's a black in the palette, and the only thing, so the colors are very much on the pigmented side. You have the colors are not very hard to blend. They blend in pretty well. And I really like it. Though another thing I really like about this palette is you have a few transition colors to work with. You have about 3 to 4 colors in there that you could use as transition colors, and you have some really cute metallic colors in there as well. So this is my take on the Urban Decay palette. Would I buy it again, or would I recommend it to someone? Yes, I would recommend it to someone. I think it's a really nice palette. If you're looking for colors that, for example, if you're looking for very unique colors, this palette has quite a few unique colors in it, and that's what I really like about it. But I really think that for a summer palette, I was expecting a little more color in there, but I know it's a little on the pricey side, but I think it's worth the price. So this is my take on the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching, thank you for clicking my video, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day.